Welcome back to Deck Officer Training. In this video, we will be covering COLREGS Rule 5, Lookout. Rule 5 states, every vessel shall at all times maintain a proper lookout by sight and hearing, as well as by all available means appropriate in the prevailing circumstances and conditions, so as to make a full appraisal of the situation and of the risk of collision. Let's go through the key points of this rule. Every vessel shall at all times. No exceptions. This applies to all vessels, tankers, fishing boats, sailboats, or jet skis. At all times, day or night, good or bad weather. Sight and hearing, using your eyes and ears to detect other vessels, navigation hazards, sound signals, environmental clues, waves, noise, etc. All available means. Use radar, AIS, and other electronic aids if available. Prevailing circumstances and conditions. Tailor your lookout to the situation. Poor visibility or heavy traffic, use binoculars or multiple people on watch. Full appraisal of the situation. Detect other vessels early and gain their bearing, course, and speed. Assess whether a risk of collision exists and what action is needed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out some of our other videos here.